Hello Earthers. Mixed news for the solar neighborhood this time around. I've been tracking some incoming energy waves from a nearby stellar explosion, which may cause some mayhem back on planet Earth. High energy waves will cause increasingly energetic impacts on your solar wind and may even light up your polar auroras at their peaks if the solar wind is reversed temporary. There will also be an increase in comet activity as these energy waves bump the outlying comets and send them in towards your sun. Be prepared for some bright new comets making appearances in the next few years. There is a comet currently inbound to your star which will trigger coronal holes, magnetic and solar mass ejections, whose increased energy and interaction with the planet Earth will result in more frequent and stronger earthquakes. Everything is connected, and my data collected by the Zenga UFO in near-Earth space is showing you're all in for a bit of rocking and shaking, especially in earthquake-prone areas. On the plus side, you'll see some awesome aurora displays and some dazzling and beautiful comets passing by. I don't see anything too big on a collision course with the planet at this moment, but that condition can change at a moment's notice. Your home star, Sol, is currently dropping in energy output, and the trend looks like it will continue for the foreseeable future. What does that mean? As the interior of your planet is heating up from X-ray and microwave bombardment from deep space, your atmosphere will be losing energy and you'll be experiencing an overall cooling planet-wide. Cooler summers and wickedly cold winters are in your future. And your global warming isn't going to be much help. My sensor data indicates that in spite of political and scientific hype by your local specialists, you all really don't have that much influence over your global climate. But you should really be concerned about, however, is this. My sensors indicate an ever-growing radioactive patch in your Pacific Ocean source. Japan, that radiation leak may be forgotten by most of you, but it's still going on, and your biggest ocean is dying quickly. Sorry, but that's the truth. Your alien neighbors remain ever watchful and are as paranoid as ever that humans find our way out into the cosmos. The hope is that there is a massive shift in political posture, especially in your most powerful nations. Because the business as usual that's been observed for the last 20 years or so will not be accepted in the stellar neighborhood we all find ourselves in. That's been observed on other planets and in other societies in the past. The excessive navel gazing in your dense population centers has led to a twisted and backwards logic that will lead to the destruction of your culture and the death of your race. Look to the farmers and the people who deal more intimately with nature to find your answers in sanity. Get back to the roots, the traditions of your ancestors, their fundamental beliefs. They may not be right about everything, but they had reasons and experience that should not be discarded out of hand. If we forget our past, we are doomed to repeat the most horrendous errors of our history. Do we really need to go through all that again? Heads up. Stay safe.